Hey guys, we're really excited because I just received this wall lamp for reviewing purposes. When we open it, we find the instruction manual with all the important information about it and all the pieces and screws that we're gonna need to do the installation of this lamp, which I think that it's nice. And I think that it's a great lamp because it has a really beautiful, interesting, and modern design that I think that it's gonna be perfect to install it wherever you need it. Okay, which I think it's really good. Okay, as you can see, it comes really well protected. I think that it's great. Okay, protected with foam, cardboard, and a bag, so that way it ain't gonna come scratch or anything like that. Okay, it also says E12 light bulbs. Okay, which are the smaller ones, and as you can see, it has this really beautiful combination of the black matte finish and the golden accents, which I think that it's nice. Okay, subset, you place two light bulbs in these both sides, and I think that it's really nice. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks, how it works. Okay, come on.
The proper installation of these sconces are really easy, and what I think that is nice is that I have a nice size, about a 1.5 little bottles, which I think that it's great, and you can place them at the side of your door or wherever you need them. I think that they're gonna look really nice.
Okay, yes, so as you can see now it's already installed, and as you can see it was a easy installation, didn't take that much long. I just placed the base, do the proper wiring, and just mounted the main unit to the base, and that's it. I placed this neutral white on light bulbs because I think that they're gonna look really nice on darker part of the day with the combination of the color of the main unit, which I think that's gonna be giving a really comfortable space so wherever you place them. So let's just wait a little bit till it gets darker so we can see how they look at night. Okay, come on.
And as you can see, they have this Art Deco style, which I think that suits them perfectly, and I think that it's great because you can dim it from 10% up to 100% with a dimmable switch.
Okay, guys, as you can see now that it's darker, I think that it looks amazing. It has a really nice combination of colors, as I've already said, and I love the feeling that it gives, that it's like a warmer space, and I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was a release installation. It didn't take that much long, which I think that it's great. And overall, I like it a lot. I think that it's great, and I would really recommend that. So you guys.